Hi everyone, Mrs. E here with a quick video on counting in sixes. It's the 6 times table. Here we go. So what is the pattern of the 6 times table? Here we are with boxes of eggs. 6. Another 6 is 12. And another 6, 18. 24. 30. 36. 42. 48. 54. 60, 66 and 72. So get familiar with the pattern. Some is going to disappear. Which one's disappeared? Use the ones before it and count on 6 more. Well done if you said 24. Which one's missing now? Count on from 48, 6 more. Well done if you said 54. Great job. Now there's 2 missing. What are the missing numbers this time? Use the 30 to help you figure it out and the 60. Well done if you said 36 and 66. Let's see if we can say the 6 times table. Join in with me. 1 times 6 is 6. We've got 1 box of eggs of 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 lots of 6 are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 12, 18, 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 6 is 36. So this time we need 6 boxes of 6 eggs. 36. 7 times 6 is 42. What a lot of eggs. This time it's 7 boxes of eggs. 42. 8 lots of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Keep counting in sixes. 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 1 box of eggs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes of eggs. 54. And this one's an easy one. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 boxes of 6 eggs. And 11 sets of eggs are 66. And finally, 12 boxes of eggs are 72. Now it's test time. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's see what you can do. What is 2 times 6? There's our 2 boxes of eggs. 2 times 6. It is 12. Well done. 6, 12. Here's the next one. 8 times 6. This time we need 8 boxes of 6 eggs. How many do we get? Counting sixes. Well done if you got 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Brilliant. Here's another one. 4 times 8. 4 boxes. Counting sixes. It's 24, 6, 12, 18, 24. Here's another 6 times 6. 6 boxes. What do you get? 6 times 6 is 36. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. And 12 times 6? Oh, what a long way. 12 boxes this time. What's the answer? 72. Well done. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Keep counting until you get to 72. So keep practicing. Thanks for watching. You'll soon be a 6 times table superstar. See you next time.